Spring is here. Welcome and thank you for checking out my limited time promotional video for my new book called What a Seed Might Read. Now available at all major ebook retailers. Be sure to check out my channel frequently to watch all of my promotional videos and also to not miss out on any of my limited time full book narrations, also narrated by me, Gianfranco Rota. Feel free to also keep connected on Twitter or Facebook by searching Gianfranco Books. In the description box to this video, you will see the link to the Amazon retail page for this book, as well as the Smashwords retail page. So before we get into it, I'm going to read the back cover or the description of the book. What's in a seed? What is a seed's life cycle like? Similar to humans, seeds and the plants that might become of them are very unique. The same is true with our journey of life as we navigate through growth, illness, making choices, and being the best we can be. Thankfully for us humans, we have a much greater chance than seeds to start our lives and live for a long time. This poetic picture book riddles through many of the possible paths a seed could take before it sprouts, as well as many of the possible physical traits and value they might bring as mature plants. This story can be a great aid for kids learning about seeds, plants, gardening, and similarities in different life forms. The perfect start to planting and the perfect support for fostering a love for plants or life in general. Perhaps the start of the life of a mystery seed, and lots of fun exploratory learning that will follow. What a Seed Might Read aims to serve as a creative, engaging, poetic, and educational resource for many great extended teaching and learning opportunities. I decided to release this book right now in the spring because I think it's the perfect time for this theme of seeds and planting, and I think it's a great companion to the curiosity and the many great gardening learning lessons that start in the springtime. What a Seed Might Read is very neat indeed. A flower, a goat, or a baby with hairy feet. A monster, a helicopter, a speck of sand, or an island. What exactly could there be inside that seed blowing down the street? Will we ever get to know what that seed does read? Will it sprout and show its beauty, or will it pout and just stay puny? Will it sprout and get eaten, or will it sprout and grow? Will it get eaten before it sprouts, or will it shrivel and rot? Oh no! Not all seeds will make it to become strong and healthy plants. Some of them will get stepped on, some will get eaten by ants. Some plants will get pulled out of the ground, and some will get cut down. Some plants will get eaten, and some will dry out or drown. So plant a few extra to be super extra sure that if you lose 2 seedlings, you won't be left without a cure. Thanks so much for listening and watching to this promotional video. I hope you liked it and hope you will consider purchasing a copy of it so you can finish reading it to the end. And I hope that you will also be getting out to do some great gardening this gardening season, because I know you have the potential to be a great gardener, just as you have the potential to be great at everything else you do. Thanks again for watching and see you soon.